Welcome to this comprehensive guide on archiving your WordPress site. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each step needed to efficiently archive your website using WordPress. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you are on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Select this option to initiate the login process. After clicking login, you will see a choice to continue with Google. This option is available to streamline your login experience, so click on Continue with Google. When prompted, choose the appropriate Google account associated with your WordPress account. Selecting the right Google account ensures that you have the correct permissions and access to manage your website seamlessly. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the Quick Links section. This area provides shortcuts to various management tools on your site. Within these quick links, select Edit Site to move into the website management environment. Clicking on Edit Site will bring you to the editing dashboard where you can interact with and modify the elements of your WordPress site. Within your site management area, find your website from the list provided and click on it to start editing. This will open your website in the editor mode, giving you an overview of its current layout and content. When you are ready to add the archive functionality, direct your attention to the top left corner where you will see a plus icon. This icon is used to add new elements to your page. After clicking on the plus icon, a search bar will appear. Type in the word archives into the search field. This search is designed to quickly locate the archive widget or block that you will be adding to your website. Once the system displays the archive option, click on it to add it directly onto your web page. Once the archive block is added to the page, take a moment to carefully edit the list that appears. This edit step is crucial because it allows you to customize which posts, pages, or content types are included in your archive. Adjust the list settings as necessary so that it accurately reflects the content you wish to showcase for your archive. Finally, after making your adjustments and ensuring that your archive list is set up exactly how you need it, locate the Save button positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Save to preserve all of your changes. Saving your edits ensures that your new archive is properly integrated into your website and that none of your customizations are lost. By following these instructions, you have successfully completed the steps to archive your WordPress site. Each stage of this process, from logging into your account to customizing and saving your archive, is designed to be simple and intuitive. This guide should provide you with a clear understanding of how to add and manage an archive on your WordPress website. Enjoy using this new feature to keep your content organized and accessible to your visitors.